Hurt, the Johnny Cash version. This song is the utmost beautiful simplicity, written by Trent Reznor, performed by 9 Inch Nails, but this Johnny Cash version is stunning. The open chords in this song are A minor, C, Dsus 2, G, and F. I am playing a bar chord. You are welcome to play F/C. The song opens with a picking pattern that continues throughout the verse. The chords we need here are the A minor, C, and Dsus 2. And how we play the A minor is pick the A string, then the D string, and then strum or rake, as in slowly drag the pick or your thumb across the G, B, and E strings. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let that ring out. Moving on to the C chord, we pick the A string, then the D string, we rake the G and B strings, and then we come back up to pick the D string. 1 and 2 and. Moving on to the Dsus 2, we pick the D string, the G string, rake the B and high E, and come back up to pick the G, 3 and 4 and. Popping the 3 chords together, starting from A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's our 2-bar sequence. This now repeats for the entire verse sections. Playing through the intro and verse 1. I help myself today. I focus on the pain. The needle tears a hole. Try to kill it all away. At this point, we move to a G chord and play down, 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 down. We are now heading into the chorus, and we have a down-up rhythm on each beat. The main thing to note here is that we're only emphasising the downs. The ups really are only catching the strings on the way up with a slight percussive sound. So emphasis really on the downs gives us that drive that we need. Beginning on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. F. 4, C. 2, 3, 4. G. 2, 3, 4. A minor. F. Goes away. C. In the end. G. 2, 3, 4. You could have it all. F. G. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. F. 2, 3, 4. G. 2, 3, 4. And then we're back into the verse picking pattern. for verse 2. We are now back into the familiar picking pattern for verse 2. Verse 2 is exactly the same structure as verse 1. It's also followed by a chorus that's exactly the same as what we've just been through for the chorus. The difference is when it gets to the end, we don't come back into the A minor picking pattern. What we do is we carry on and build in repetition. We carry on with the chord sequence A minor, F, G, G, and the same rhythm. It just builds an energy. If I could start again, a million miles away. At the end, we play a single G chord. I will find a way. Here we are at the end of the song, beautifully simple, beautifully poignant, intro, verse, chorus, ending. In this video, I take you through Wicked Game by Chris Isaak, 3 chords, epic strumming song. I'll see you next time.